up and my science fair project is electricity and to see if something is conductive or not. Did you know electricity powers almost everything that we use? But how? Atoms help electricity move. Atoms are what form everything, even ourselves. Electrons move around atoms. When electrons bounce from atom to atom, that creates electricity. That is how electricity is formed. Electricity needs a circuit. This could be a complete circle. It is a lot like a pipe. Testing if certain objects are conductive. If objects are conductive, that means it will allow the electrons to bounce from atom to atom. If this object is not conductive, then no such thing can occur. There can be no circuit and no electricity. So today I will be testing with these cords. When I touch them together, it should send a signal to the computer to play a little clip that I have picked. The first thing I'm going to test is my little stuffed puppy, and my hypothesis is that she's going to be an insulator, which means she can't conduct electricity and has no circuits. What I did was I connected one cable to my wrist and one cable to her collar. If I touch her head, it should mean that there would be a sound on the computer if she's conductive. But if she's not conductive, there will be no sound and no reaction. She's not conductive. My next experiment is to see if a real dog is conductive. If the dog is conductive, that means it conducts electricity. My hypothesis is that it is going to be conductive. Charlotte, my dog, is conductive. She is conductive. My next experiment is to see whether or not a banana is conductive. My hypothesis is that a banana will be conductive. If the banana is conductive, when I hit it, you should hear a piano sound. If it is not conductive, you should hear no such sound. Let's see if it's conductive or not. Now let's try an orange. My hypothesis is that the orange will be conductive. Let's see if I'm right. Now let's play a song with the banana and an orange. It will sound quite weird. There's the song. Piano with a few more strings. So let's see what I can do. next experiment is going to be to see if Orange Crush is conductive or not. My hypothesis is that it is going to be conductive. Let's find out. Okay. Orange Crush is conductive. My next experiment is to see if Play-Doh is conductive or not. My hypothesis is that Play-Doh will be conductive like much of the others. To test out if Play-Doh is conductive, let's try and play Pac-Man. My next experiment is going to be about if marker ink is conductive. Here is the marker we will be using. My hypothesis is that this marker ink is going to be conductive. Let's find out if markers are conductive. The markers are not conductive. My hypothesis was wrong. My next experiment is going to be a pencil. I'm going to find out if pencil lead is conductive or not. My hypothesis is it's going to be conductive because lead reminds me of metal. Let's connect our wires and see if pencil lead is conductive. Now let's see if wood's conductive. My hypothesis is that it's not going to be conductive. Let's find out. Wood's not conductive. Now let's see if the soda kid's conductive. My hypothesis is that it's going to be conductive. Let's find out. I'll clip this wire to the soda can. And I'll put this bracelet on it. And I'll touch it. And what do you know? It's conductive! Next, I'm going to try bubble solution. My hypothesis is that it is going to be conductive because it has a source of water in it. Let's find out. it's conductive. My next experiment is going to be on the shoe. My hypothesis is that it's not going to be conductive because it has rubber and plastic on it. I've clipped cord to the shoe so I can just tap it and I'll hear the sound of the drum if it's conductive. Not conductive at all. My next experience is going to be on dry noodles. My hypothesis is that it's not going to be conductive because it doesn't have a water or metal source. I'm going to clip this to the edge of a noodle. I'm going to put my bracelet on that helps me conduct. And now I shall tap the edge of the noodle. Not conductive. I guess I was right. I wonder what will happen if we bake these noodles. Let's try and connect them. My hypothesis is, by the way, that they're going to be conductive this time. They're conductive. My next experiment is to see if my little sister right here is conductive. My hypothesis is yes, because she is a human being and human beings are always conductive. Well, let's find out. My next experience is going to be about this cup. My hypothesis is that it will not be conductive because this one happens to be glass. So let's test my idea and not conductive. My next experiment is going to be a pizza! My prediction is that pizza is going to be conductive. Well, let's find out.
Pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza.
Thank you. I really hope you enjoyed my science project. Personally, I learned about conductors and insulators too. If you would like to know more about how I learned how to do this, you can try these books. Science Works Charged Up, the story of electricity, bulbs, batteries, and sparks. Bye.